Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, a black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for new driving patterns. This GLC has 44,349 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.